Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini kita akan sama-sama menyaksikan percakapan bahasa Inggris yang akan dibawakan oleh anak-anak kita di kelas 9. Selamat menyaksikan.
Assalamualaikum. What are you doing here at the library?
Waalaikumsalam. Hi, I just studying for an upcoming exam. It is quieter here, so I can focus better. How about you?
I am here to find some books for a project I am working on. They have a great collection on history.
That's cool. Do you usually come here often?
Yeah, whenever I need to do some serious reading or research. It is a nice place to concentrate.
Absolutely. Plus, it is always nice to be surrounded by so many books.
Definitely. Well, good luck with your study.
Thanks. Good luck with your project.